And the things that you have observed from each other would really give you that time is God given to each one of us to grow in person, in our ideas, in our wisdom, in our relationship, and even in our spirits. Coming together is an opportunity of recalling, remembering, and celebrating life. This book is said that we have to go through the process of tolerating, accepting, and celebrating. Tolerating each other as husband and wife for long period of time. Then you have to reach a point of accepting each other. Now you have accepted already. Or some are still having hard time of accepting. But you cannot reach celebration if you are not going to push through and really make extra effort and pray to God to give us the grace to reach that level of acceptance.